Oh my god.
Oo.
Ah?
Doon lang.
So today we saw this sand bow that they're calling. Some people saw me staring at it and they started looking up as well, but they said that this is usually a halo that happens because of ice crystals. Well, I never knew that. But yeah, a few people in the parking lot start bending our back to look at it. And then we found this place.
Yung entrance. Ikaw magbabayad. Meron silang ano, fishing.
Catfish.
Catfish. We can go fishing. Yeah?
How? May dala ka bang pang fish?
Nilalangoy na. Mini catfishing. Hindi nudukot. Guys, we are here at the Guasti Regional Park. And then, meron sila ditong ano, fishing, playground. So, this is a big one. Kasi, they gave us a map. So, that could mean this is a big park.
Tingnan mo nga, pakita mo kay tatay yung map.
So, this is the map.
Be careful, there's like popo.
You wanna eat that?
No.
And then may water park sila, no? Splash and play.
Yeah, they also have a water park.
Huh?
Yeah, I do. Parang ang sarap naman mag-fish. Mag-fishing. Look, people, there's a lot of fish.
Ano po, punta po kayo, open po kayo ng new tab. Tapos mag-open kayo ng Gmail. Opo.
No swimming, Micah.
Usually
Okay?
po, kung wala po sa main Gmail natin, i-click nyo lang para ma-change yung account
There's a lot of big fish.
sa akin po. Ako
Oh, look. Look at the geese. They're big. Look at the baby, it's big.
They're toddlers, not babies.
Toddlers?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. You wanna swim?
Oh yeah, because the mom will beat you guys up. They'll go next to me.
But no, because they don't want to see. I can drown.
So,
Because it's green.
yeah.
Oh, why is it green?
You cannot see kasi the water is dark. Yeah. The
I want to see bees.
yeah,
You know
there's
what
a
ducks do to find their food? They stick their head inside of the water and then start looking for it.
for food.
That's what I find it and then pull it back up. Or they can swim it back.
This is nice. Maybe we can bring Ate Jada, Kuya Yanyan, and Didi here. I think they have a boat. Like a toy remote control.
Oh, those are the stuff when they throw the water.
Oh, I can see the water playground, Micah. Let's go here, let's go here. My line. Oh, let's go. Come here. Don't say that kind of thing.
The
Oh,
truth
Daffy,
is,
Daffy,
there's
Daffy.
a lot of bird poop on the floor. That's why she was
Oh,
saying
we can
that. And
try.
also the
And we can
water, you
swim as
cannot
well.
swim there.
Yeah.
I think that's what she's mentioning too, because it's really green. And I didn't delete that part, just so you know what to
You
expect
should have brought
in
your
this
water
place.
gun.
What? I don't have one. Why?
I was pointing to the area where there's a swimming pool,
The
or
turtle
there
thing you have?
used to be a swimming pool, but
What is
it's
that?
empty. The lady in front was saying
Whoa!
that they no longer use
I
that
think
swimming pool.
someone's excited. Someone here's really
I can
excited.
fall because I'm wearing slippers.
Yeah.
I mean,
Oh, let's go here. Kada, ano, sama natin sila, Brother Romel, sila George.
can I go?
Ha?
Can
Yeah.
I go?
Wait for me. Okay. Where are you going? Don't splash on me. You wanna give me your headband? Get inside the ring. Is it super cold, the water? It's okay. Oh, no, not me. Hello. Estoy muy bien. Ba't di siya nag-slide mainit? You know how to get to the finish line? I'll do it. Your turn. Medyo nahirapan siya kasi may pataas pababa.
is quite a good place to hang out with family, with friends. I see people celebrating birthdays and events. They have their own canopy, they have bounce house set up somewhere. There's a lot of space to have your visitors to celebrate the party. It's really good.
You should be fine.
And most especially, I think the best thing about this place is this splash pad, water pad, where the kids, kids go crazy with it. There's a big playground for everyone. I think it's quite a good adventure for the kids if you will be hanging out just for fun with the family here.
Tumalo. Napindot ko. Hi, girl. How are you? Oh, try the drag. Go, I'll take a beat. Alright, go. Wait, come here. You wanna record while sliding? I wanna see it. Like that. Good job.
And yeah, it will also be a bonus for you if you have a family or a friend who
You can
likes
just wash
fishing,
yourself
or you
You wanna ride?
yourselves
I'll spin it.
want to try to fish, because that's what a lot of people here were fishing. But of course,
don't
the fishes that
Or you wanna
they
see?
are putting in, they had to refill it, okay? But what we were happy to
Ready?
know is that once you catch the fish, you could clean it, you could keep it, you could bring it home. So, yeah.
Hi.
Huh?
Do you like this?
Okay, I think I'm gonna get off now.
This is fun for a kid. So guys, Micah's done playing in the water. She's changed clothes already.
I haven't.
Now we are...
Going home.
No, we're walking around. We're checking other places. So, titingnan lang namin kung ano pang meron. They have gazebo over there. Parang may kainan or what. Check natin. Pahawak. Hawak.
Sabi ko may ilagay mo ng ulat, loob.
Oh, balot.
Yeah. Para pwede mo na siya ilagay.
Okay, mataas na siya. Kamusta yung paglalaro mo sa tubig? Man-made lake to eh, no? Yung parking na sa likod.
Kasi nga lang, di ba, regional park na
Ah.
So, kung gusto mo mag-parking, tapos hindi ka nagpa-reserve.
Pwede rin.
Reserve
Yeah, wala lang habong. Pwede ka naman mag-party na may dala ka lang na nabubong.
Para kung na may ano na rin.
Hihisa na ako pero. Oo, malalaki. Pwede, no? Kaso hindi tayo taga lagi. So mahal, hindi siya 55. May bench dito. Kung dito ka namimingwit, pwede ka maupo.
Nak, mag-ingat ka sa tao.
Organic naman yan kasi tayo ng ibig. Ito mga bahay-bahay na yan. Mga kabahayan na yan dyan. Ang lapit nila sa park, no? Parang sabi nila, no? May $15 sabi. May $15 ka ba dyan? Bakit? Mamimingwit ako, wala tayong ulam. Araw-araw ulam mo, ano? Catfish. Ayun, no? Ay, kasi katabi niya yung top golf. Be. Ayun yung top golf eh, sa kabila. Ang ganda, oo. Pag dito ka pwesto, save our wildlife. Place use fishing line. Inappropriate line. Recycling bin. Siguro laging ulam ng mga tao dito, kung hindi isda, bibe.
Pwede ba ka makalimutan mong palitang video?
Naka-video yan.
May mga ibon.
Oo. Ito ibang lahi ito eh, no? Parang they are small compare dun sa mahahaba yung leg.
That's what they do. I know what they do when they eat.
You wanna be a duck so you can swim? What do you want to be? If you're gonna be an animal, what do you want? Nye. How about Nanay? If you're gonna be animal, what do you want to be?
A polar bear.
Why?
That's not bad.
I thought you gonna say panda.
I just said polar bear.
I want to be
Jollibee.
a chicken joy.
Di ba ka mabibili mo naman?
Ano?
Ano?
Bawal. So may watawat talaga yung California Republic, no? And talaga, bear talaga ang ano, California. Ginagawa ni Kuya dun. Galing siya sa ilalim.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you until the next
Authentic matter.
authentic matter.
Love you.
God love you.
God loves you.